Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In previous class we will discuss second order determinant, third order determinant and some important points related to determinant. Today we discuss minor of a determinant and cofactor of a determinant. First, minor of a determinant. Let a third order determinant del is equal to a1, a2, a3, b1, b2, b3, c1, c2, c3, and we have to find minor of this determinant. First, the minor of any element of a determinant, this is the determinant obtained from this determinant by deleting row and columns in which the given element is occurs. This, suppose we find the minor of this determinant, so we have to find minor of this element, so as we have to find minor of each element of the determinant. That means we found minor of the element a1, a2, a3, b1, b2, b3, c1, c2, c3, then we find minor of the determinant, minor of the whole determinant. And if aij be an element of the determinant, then the minor of aij is denoted by mij. Suppose let us consider a determinant let us consider the determinant a11, a12, a13, a21, a22, a23, a31, a32, a33. We have to find the minor of this determinant, this whole determinant. So first we can find the minor of this element, this and this also. Then we can find the minor of the whole determinant. Example, minor of a33. That means minor of a33. Before we read, to find minor of a element, we have to delete this row and this column, and this is the minor of the element a33, like this, is equal to a11, a22 minus a12, a21. Similarly, we have to find the minor of each element, then we can find the minor of the whole determinant. Suppose del. And another example, a2, 3. So we have to delete this row and this column. Then we can find the minor of this element. That is a2, 3. This row and this column, we can get a11. This, which is the minor of the element. We can also write a11. That's all about the minor of determinant. And also the minor of any element in a third order determinant is a second order determinant. Mean in a third order determinant, this we have get this second order determinant. That is the note. The minor of any element in a third order determinant is a second order determinant. Then cofactor of a determinant. If aij be an element of a determinant, then the cofactor of aij is denoted as aij or cij, capital A, capital C, and is defined as, is the formula aij is equal to minus 1 to power I plus j into mij, where mij is the minor of the determinant. Let us consider a determinant of third order. This, then the cofactor of A23 is put in this formula is equal to minus 1 to the power I plus j. Here I is 2 and j here 3. 2 plus 3 into mij. Here m 2 3 is equal to minus 1 ର power 2 plus 3 5 into mij, that is m23 is equal to minus 1 ର power 5 is equal to minus m23. We can solve m23 is equal to a11 into a32 minus a12 a31. Minor of this element a23 is equal to minus into m23 is equal to, close this row and this column, then 1 2 3 2, then cross multiply a11 a32 into minus a12 into a31 here is equal to by multiplying minus we get this. Similarly, cofactor of a13 is equal to, put in this formula, minus I into mij is equal to minus 1 power 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. m13 is equal to minus 1 power 4 is equal to 1 into m into 1 m13. By solving minor of this element a13 here, a13, closing this column and this row, we get this determinant here a21 a22 a31 a33, then by cross multiplying we can get this. So here also in order to find the cofactor of a determinant, we have to find the all element of the cofactor.